Hi YouTube, Jaren Gledhill here. Today we're going to be talking about how to start a business. When I was younger, I thought that starting a business was really difficult. In reality, it can be achieved in just a few short, simple steps. And the goal of this video is to go over those steps briefly so that you can start your own business that you've been meaning to start. So step one, create the name of your business and find something that you're good at. You basically have two options, a product business or a service business. For a product business, you need to find something to sell. Perhaps it's something that already exists, but that isn't covered by a patent, and you found a better way to make it, or a different design. Or it's something that is a brand new invention that you came up with yourself, in which case you should look into contacting a patent office. Once you have your idea for a product, all you have to do is purchase the materials, create the product, and then sell it for a price that is higher than what you spent on materials and what you believe your time is worth. Hopefully, you're able to mass produce something or create a lot of something at once so that your time is only a fraction of your time is being spent on each individual product. This way you can have smaller margins which will attract customers, and then the volume is where you get your revenue. The other option is to do a service-based industry. Now with a service-based industry, you're not really worried so much about materials, but you do need to acquire labor. So with a service-based industry, for example, let's say you want to start a lawn mowing company. You need to find someone who will mow the lawns. You're welcome to do it yourself, but you can also hire someone else to mow the lawns while you take care of administration and maybe landing jobs for your employee or for your contractor. There are two different ways to categorize someone who works for you. You can classify them as a W-2 employee, which means at the end of the year you'll give them a W-2 and you're going to be withholding taxes from all of their paychecks. With a 1099 contractor, you will not be doing withholdings and they'll be able to write off their own expenses used as to do the service. In the example of lawn mowing, the 1099 contractor would bring their own supplies, they would write off their own supplies. It's basically like they're operating a secondary business that works for your business. So two different ways to do it. It's up to you to strategize how that should be done, and you should definitely confirm this with your tax advisor to find out exactly how you should classify these. So once you've got either your product or your service and your business name, the next thing to do is to file for an LLC in the state that you live in and get an employer identification number. These two things are really important because once you get those two things, you can create a checking and a credit card account in using the employer identification number that you created. This bank account will help to track all of the income and tie it with your business so that you can have clear and transparent reporting when you report your income for taxes as well as your expenses. Okay, so once you've kind of done all of this admin work, you've set up the bank accounts, the EIN, everything's legit. Look into insurance if that's something that you need. And now you got to actually get jobs. So Squarespace has some great scheduling options, and you can also do some scheduling through Wix if you decide to create a website. And basically as a business owner, at the beginning, you'll be solely in charge of marketing. So you want to increase traffic to your website and have people schedule through the scheduling software. Over time, once you have enough revenue, you can hire a sales team to help you with that. And what you might have to do at the beginning before you get that sales team is go door to door, or perhaps use Facebook or other forms of social media to get the word out. But in a few simple steps, you can either hire an employee or buy materials and create a product, and you can have your business up and running in no time. If you have any fun small business ideas, feel free to leave them below in the comments, or perhaps share something that you've done to create a small business of your own. And then Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos so that I can continue making them. Thank you.